Today we're going to do a restoration on this tiny little vise. Littletowns. Made in USA. She's a little bit rough, but yeah, we'll make it look nice again and function well. Now this part is actually bent a little bit, so at some point we will have to straighten this out as well. So yeah, let's get into it. Whew. Quite a bend. With the sledgehammer, I was able to straighten this out decently. The only problem now is that it seems to have a little bit of a twist in it, so I'm going to try and twist it with an adjustable wrench back to where it should be. It's better. I just acquired this sandblasting cabinet, so I'm not probably not the most proficient person to be doing this, but I guess we'll learn as we go. So we'll turn the suction on. The compressor has already got a full head of steam, and we're ready to go. So when I took this apart, I noticed that there was a lot of slop right in here. This hole is rather quite large, so what I did is I put a urethane bushing in between the two. I just happen to have some plastic tube about the right size, so that I'll take up a lot of that slack. And I put grease underneath it, and I'll put grease on the outside of it as well, to make sure that it continues to move nice and freely. The paint, the writing, I did have to touch it up a little bit. And then one last thing. When I put this screw back in the bottom, I will be using some blue Loctite so that it doesn't come back out. Well, not easily anyway. So that's about it. We'll start the reassembly. So that's it. It's a beautiful little restoration here, and it's a job well done, in my humble opinion. I really like the way that this one turned out. Now where to put it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and have a good one.